Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are a nutrient-dense superfood that have been consumed for thousands of years. They are rich in fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making them an excellent addition to any diet. Flax seeds are a great source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid that has been shown to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. By consuming flax seeds can help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. The high fiber content in flax seeds helps promote regular bowel movements and can prevent constipation. Additionally, flax seeds contain lignans, which have anti-cancer properties and help regulate hormone levels in the body. Flax seeds are a low-calorie, high-fiber food that can help you feel full and satisfied. This can lead to reduced calorie intake and weight loss over time. Furthermore, the healthy fats in flax seeds can help boost metabolism and increase fat burning in the body, making them a great addition to any weight loss plan. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds can help improve skin health by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy skin cell function. Additionally, the lignans in flax seeds may have anti-aging effects and can help protect against skin damage caused by UV radiation. Flax seeds are a versatile and nutritious food that offer a wide range of health benefits. Incorporating flax seeds into your daily routine is an easy way to boost your overall health and well-being.